It is how you can split the beam. Click on edit, split, and select beam you want to split. Okay, check. Yeah, there are 3 beams. We can join the beam together by using edit, join. Okay, join. But the problem right now is the alignment. We want to align the beam at the center. Okay, you edit again, split, click on this beam to split it. There are 2 ways you can correct the alignment by using the beam property, align and correct it to the center. Control Z. Other way, we use the same with the column by copy property. Click on review view, click on review, copy property, click the source beam, click the second beam. Yeah, the second beam will be the same with the source beam. The concrete cover, concrete strength, rebar strength, alignment. It is how you can use a different technique to model the OC element in Tekla Structural Designer. Come back, edit, join, click. Okay, now it join together. I want to join the this beam again, join, click. Okay, how we can split, join and copy property in Tekla Structural Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The next step we continue to modeling all C slab in TSD.